Hello, fellow marketers. I'm Brian Bowie, and welcome to another episode of Directive R&D. I'm going to change things up a little bit today, and we're going to be doing a little bit of a short series on landing page tests so that hopefully you get inspired and can run some of your own tests to improve conversion rate. I'm going to dive in. I have a one-slide deck, not really a deck. I'm going to move my face here. So in the software space, a common CTA you'll see a lot is get a demo, request a demo, something about getting a demo. And for a lot of our clients in the SaaS space, this is a common CTA and offer we use to drive prospects to connect them with a sales team member to run through a product and get them in their funnel. We wanted to test on this page a different call to action, see it in action, which they do get to see in a demo, but we thought using different language, we could reduce the amount of friction versus a common CTA you see everywhere else around getting a demo, which can kind of seem a little bit mundane and not always a fun interaction with when going through the buying process. So for this particular campaign, we were targeting an audience that already had in a paid search campaign where they had some intent for a solution such as this. And the call to action that we had before was get a demo on this landing page, and simply we changed it to see it in action, thinking that it would reduce friction and make it an increased conversion rate. And we saw a 32% lift in conversion rate. So if you're thinking about testing this on your website or within one of your paid campaigns, I'd highly recommend checking it out. It really depends on your audience, so no results are guaranteed. But for this particular audience, we saw it successfully improve conversion rate, and it seemed to the audience seems to resonate better with see it in action versus get a demo. So quick one today. I'll have other landing page tests later on to preview. Simple one, but hopefully it helps out. And a 32% lift in conversion rate goes a long way when you have a lot of scale. So please let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully we'll see you in the next lab. Thank you.